Hello everyone and namaskar. I am Pallavi from Talent Battle. And whenever you want to send your resume to any organization or company, one very most important thing that you need to do is write a cover letter or email. Nowadays, since it's all technical and it's all technology based, so we don't send a cover letter, we send a cover email. Opening your email, they will understand whether they really want to take you in or really want to take your interview or not, even before reaching the place where you attach your resume. The email that you send along with your resume speaks a lot about the further steps. So without a further delay, let's understand how to write an effective cover letter or email. Some do's and don'ts, let's quickly see that. Have a strong opening statement, very, very important. Be succinct. Share an accomplishment. So if you see the first one, have a strong opening statement. So dear sir is done, greetings are done. After that, the first and most important thing that the person attention is going to catch is your opening statement. So it can be as simple as I was excited to apply for the position of HR manager with a prestigious organization. So you convey that excitement even if you're not physically present there. The excitement is conveyed through your words that you use. Right? Be succinct. Succinct is basically be brief about what you want to talk about. Don't give them an opportunity to cancel your interview. So your succinctness is going to tell whether you will be allowed or called for the interview. In your cover letter, you don't have to write about how your personality is. You're going to write about your professional experience in a very short way. Like in 2-3 lines, you will cover your whole experience in that. Share your accomplishments. So for example, if you're working for an HR position and if you want to apply for the same position, make sure that in cover letter you give them a 2-liner about your HR experience in your previous organization, and you also talk about how well you performed there. If you get any award, you can also talk about that. Some don'ts: try to be funny, not needed. Send a generic cover letter, no. So hi, I'm Pallavi, and sorry. Send a generic cover letter? No. So it has to be very, very specific. For example, if you are working or if you want to work for a position as an HR manager, or if you want to work as a Java programmer or front-end developer, make sure that you stick to that. You're just not going to say the format like this mail is in regards with application for the job position and so on and so forth. No, not at all. Don't be generalized in this cover letter, because this cover letter will decide your future. Go overboard with flattery. No. Don't boast about yourself. Let's create that curiosity about you. And that curiosity is made when you don't flatter about yourself. I got these many awards and I did this and I did that. Don't fake. Don't do that. So don't go overboard. Please be very subtle, clear, and honest with your achievements. If you were able to achieve 70% of the sales goal, tell that. Don't say it was 100% achievement. No, that's faking it. And they will eventually understand that when you actually start working in the company or when they meet you face to face, because your body language speaks about that a lot. So please be clear and honest with what you want to write. Tips to write an effective cover letter: do your research first. Know what the company interests. Know what company does. Know what kind of people it attracts. Know what company wants, and make sure that your cover letter includes all of that. Show that excitement to them. Why do you want to work in that company? But before that, you also need to do research on the company as well. Focus it on the future. Your resume talks about your past, but cover letter talks about your future. So you're going to talk about how well you are the best fit for the company. Open strong. So it can be as simple as I'm excited to apply for the position of HR manager or front-end developer or graphic designer in a prestigious organization, which I have been waiting since long time. That's it. And you are going to get a call because they can see that urge in you. They can see that passion in you with this first opening statement. Emphasize your personal value. So emphasize on what you have, what's in it for them. Make sure you give them that. Emphasize on your skills, emphasize on your capabilities, emphasize on your abilities, why you are the best fit for the company. Convey enthusiasm. So as excited you are, convey that whole in your cover letter, but make sure that it is subtle and not too much of it, no flattering about it. So convey that enthusiasm. For example, I have the right skills that would contribute towards the company and take company to new heights. Enthusiasms. You're giving them an energy, they're giving them an enthusiasm, you're giving them an happiness when they go to call you. Watch the tone. Now, please understand one thing. Even if it is a document, even if it is a paper, or even if it's an email which the person is going to read, but your words play a vital role because they are going to read it. They are expressing it in their mind. So whatever you have written, they are going to interpret it into a tone or voice. Okay, so tips to write, let's take this example, tips to write effective cover letter. Okay, now here, if I write how to write a cover letter, that might be wrong, right? So tips to write an effective cover letter, so I'm telling you, right? I'm telling you what I'm going to give you. So watch the tone. Your arrangement of words will automatically change the tone in which the person reads. Keep it short. Not necessary. See, your resume is going to be there with them by the end of the mail. So here you're just going to focus on what's in it for them, only in like 5 sentences, and then you're done. Get a feedback. Okay, so once you are done, you make sure that you write a line where you say looking forward for a positive response or looking forward for an interview. And then is where you ask for a feedback. So they give you the feedback. So these are few tips to write an effective cover letter. Make sure that you have paragraphs for that. For example, if your first paragraph includes why are you writing this email, in the second paragraph, you're going to talk about how good you were as an HR manager, or how good you were as a full stack developer, or how good you were as a mechanical engineer, and why do you believe in yourself and why do you want them to believe in you. So for example, you can write about your previous organization where you worked beautifully, you cracked 3 codes and you were able to launch 4 apps. Tell them. Okay, tell them there and then. In my previous organization, I worked as XYZ position, and there we as a team were able to crack 6 codes or 3 codes or 5 codes and launch 2 strong applications. So here you are automatically telling them that you are a good team player, and along with that you are also dedicated towards your work. Also, you can mention that before the deadline or before the said time span. So where you're talking about your punctuality, you're talking about your goal orientedness, you're talking about your positivity, you're talking about your team spirit, everything is included there. Also, you can talk about skills that you have. So for example, for the technical skills, you might require to be a good Java programmer. So you can say that I have been practicing as a Java programmer for last 3 years. And that helped me to gain this particular award in my previous organization. So in a way, you're telling them how good are you with your technical and non-technical skills. Also, you can also include how good are you with your communication, or how good are you with your interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills is when you talk with people. How good are you with comprehending everything? How good you are with handling people? Talk about it and make sure that you get a resume callback, and make sure. I believe that people will give you a call back if your cover letter is as strong as it should be. There should not be any funny thing. There should not be any humor in that. There should not be any boasting in that. You have to be very precise with your achievements that you have done. You have to be very precise with your experience. It should be like an overall summary of your resume in those 6-7 lines. Make sure that you write an effective cover letter in the next job application so that you get a call. And also all the best for your trials and for your next interview. Meet you in the next video. Until then, thank you.